Okay, so today's topic is RMS value of current and voltage. So what is basically root means square value? What is the meaning of RMS value? So first let us understand the meaning of RMS value. Suppose we pass alternating current through any resistor. Suppose I pass alternating current through any resistor. In alternating current, the value of current increases, comes to mean position, decreases, again come to mean position. So current is changing with time. So suppose I is basically I naught sine omega t, where I naught is maximum value of current. So if alternating current is passed for one complete cycle, then suppose heat produced is H. So what is the meaning of RMS current now? So RMS current is that value of current, constant current, it is not changing, which when passed through produce same heat in same time t. So suppose in time t, suppose if I pass AC current and heat produced is suppose 800 joule. So what will be the constant current which when passed through same time t will produce same current, same heat, that is 800 joule. So this is RMS current. So now how to find out value of RMS current? So what is the meaning of RMS? So R is basically root, M is basically mean, S is basically square. Suppose the current that is passing is I equal to I naught sine omega t. And I want to find out the RMS value of current for one complete cycle t. So what we'll do is, so root means square. So first we'll take square of current, that is I square. Then we'll take mean. So how we'll take mean? We'll first calculate the overall value of I square, that is I square dt for a complete cycle 0 to t. And then we'll take root. So we'll take mean, that is t, and then we'll take root. So this will be the RMS value of current. So to calculate value, RMS value of any function, you have to use the same procedure. So first you have to square it, then take mean value of it. How to take mean? Integrate and divide it by total time t, and then take root of it. So now how to calculate the solution to the following function? So we know that I is basically I is I naught sine omega t. So IRMS will be root of integration is I square. It will be I naught square sine square omega t dt from 0 to t divided by t. Now on solving this equation, you will get I naught by root 2. Similarly, if maximum value of voltage is V equal to V naught sine omega t, then the RMS value of voltage will be V naught by root 2. So if V naught and I naught are maximum value of current and voltage, then RMS value will be I naught by root 2 and V naught by root 2. So suppose if it is given in the question that current flowing in the circuit is I equal to I naught 20 sine 20 pi t, then what will be the RMS value? Then RMS value will be given by 20 by root 2 ampere. So this is maximum value. Maximum value divided by root 2 is basically RMS value. So this is how you have to calculate RMS value for current and voltage. Okay.